Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot, Earth Element. So, second quarter reading. So, Earth Element, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, collective reading po. So, second quarter 2026, ang message or ang theme is about dreaming, moving to taking action. Yeah, second quarter. Yeah, lahat po ng sign will need to focus on hindi lang po tayo magdi-dream and manifest, but we should start acting. Ganun po mapapadali at mapapabilis yung manifestation and how we gonna claim and also increase yung wealth na we are hoping and praying. Okay, so earth sign, foundation, kayo yung mga hardworking, practical people. So, a lot of change in second quarter. Okay? So, ang message sa inyo for the second quarter is to be like a bamboo. Kailangan flexible kayo kasi minsan meron din kayong tendency to stay in the status quo. Yeah? Maraming innovation. Marami ng innovation and changes na nangyayari surrounding us. So, you need to innovate. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, very important yan. So, don't cling. Don't cling. Huwag kayo mag-stay sa old ways of thinking. Yeah? So, yan ang ina-expect sa inyo ng universe. A steady need to take practical adjustment, yeah, especially this April towards the second quarter. So earth sign, the foundation, okay, hardworking, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. You need to be flexible. Yan ang team sa inyo ng mga earth sign, flexible and to innovate, yeah, innovation and be flexible. Let's see, earth element, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, what message you need to know? Second quarter 2026, second quarter pa lang tayo. Kailangan makafocus tayo sa goal natin. Gusto natin magkaroon ng 2 milyon or 1 million or maski na 100,000 na lang. We need to focus that. Kailangan i-quantify po. Measurable po dapat yung mga dream natin. So, alam natin kung we are achieving it or not. Okay. One card. Give me one card. Oops. Oh, kunin ko siya. Okay. Eight of Swords. Okay. You feel trapped. Okay. Ito yung sinasabi sa inyo na you need to innovate. Yeah. Do some adjustment. You need to be flexible. Yeah. I work with few earth signs, especially Taurus. Ano yan? High work ethics yan. Talagang dekahon. Yeah? Kaya lang minsan ayaw ma-bend. Lahat po tayo, we want our way, our own way, yung our way or the highway. Yeah? Pero sa group dynamics or especially now mayroong gera sa Middle East, we need to be flexible and innovate. We need to adapt. Change po yan. Maraming mangyayaring change towards second quarter. Preparation yan. Always look at the end goal. End of the year, gusto mo ng 3 million, 1 million. Okay? Bagong bahay, bagong kotse. Those are three-dimensional. Now, you feel trapped. Earth sign, earth people. Okay, it doesn't sound good. Earth element. Okay? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What you need to change, okay, para yung slow growth mo, steady growth, you can achieve it. Yeah, that's your theme. Flexibility, innovation, yun you need to keep in mind. You are an Eight of Swords. You feel trapped. Para bang sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, puro na lang ba ako ganito? At kailan ako makakawala dito? Yeah? Earth sign, practical kayo. Alam nyo, always joke, alam mo nyo mag-araro. Okay? Alam nyo yan. Alam nyo lumusong sa baha. You know how to roll up your sleeve. You're gonna have that justice. Okay? Keep that flexibility and innovation. Mag-adapt tayo sa innovation. Marami ng AI. I'm not saying na aralin po yun. What I'm saying is, we need to adapt to change. Second quarter is about change. Mga old ways of thinking and belief. Okay, one card. Let's see what earth elements sign needs to know. Okay, second advice, message. One card. You feel trapped, most of you. Okay, see? Okay, yeah. Intuition, heart space. So sometimes you can be tough. Yeah, I will read this as an opposite because you have that Eight of Sword here. This is what is the Queen of Cup is offering you. Parang jaded ka dito. Siguro sa stress din to sa reality na ikaw ang nagdadala ng problema, ikaw nagtatrabaho, ganun po yan. Kaya tayo naapektuhan kasi ayoko sabihin po nagiging short-minded tayo because we are all controlling minsan na bakit palagi na lang ako nagbibigay, kailangan mo magtipid, ganun po yan. So ang tendency niyan is it's either makakaroon ka ng kasamaan ng loob and dadalhin natin yan. Yeah? Yung feeling trap na yon, we are confining ourselves na gano'n na lang ako palagi. Open your intuition, open that heart space na umiyak ka if you need to cry. Yeah, that's also one message here. Queen of Cups, may Scorpio, yung emotion, nilalagay mo sa bote yung emotion mo. Yeah? Itaob mo, ikalat mo, this is showcase your emotion. I think that's my message for some of the sign releasing that yung bottled emotion kasi doon ka makakaroon ng release. Kapag tinatago mo yung sama mo ng loob, hindi ka magkaroon ng closure. Hindi po tayo makamove on. Okay? So, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, flexibility and innovation, yun ang theme mo. You cannot be flexible kung nagmamatigas. Yeah? You need to be like the bamboo for this second quarter. And there will more things to open up. That's what the universe is telling. Yung steady at saka practical adjustment for the second quarter. Yung aim natin, yung aim mo, 2 milyon, okay? Pag nagmamatigas tayo sa amo natin or sa anybody na we are asking for favor, hindi natin ma-achieve yan. Kasi merong yan po yung mga blockings na tinatawag. Consider it, pamumuliti ka na din. Ayan. Hindi lang ikaw yung namumroblema sa pagtaas ng increase ng gasolina because of the war. You need to know, remember that. Taurus, okay? Focus on yourself. Ituloy natin. Okay, dalawa yung tema mo for second quarter, flexibility and innovation. Old ways of thinking, it's no longer working this second quarter for you. Innovate. Be flexible. Kasi alam mo magtrabaho hardworking ka. Practical kayo. Okay. Give me blind spot. Fire element. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Feeling trap ka. Huwag mong dali niya hanggang second quarter. Okay. May pinagbuhugutan ka nung priority mo yung nakaraan siguro or yung nung kabataan mo or yung these are your dreams. Yeah? These are your dreams na it's either you gave up or you are losing. You are losing it. Yeah? Yung obligasyon is obligasyon. You need to have that steady growth, okay? In terms of, okay, ano ba yung dapat ko pang gawin. Okay? If this coming from an obligation in the past, kabataan, or meron ka pinaghuhugutan, ano yung what I missed out? Or ano pa yung pwede kong baguhin? Okay? Na sa palagay mo, para matulungan mo pa sila. Or para yung pangarap mo na iniwanan mo nung kabataan na gusto mong ituloy now, ma-achieve mo pa rin. Yeah? Yun ang steady and practical adjustment that you need to know. You need to get out of that eight of sword mentality. Yeah. It also, I can see here, kung if you need that help, open up. Okay? Sinabi ko a while ago, you need to express your emotion. Umiyak ka, magalit ka, that's how the people will understand you. Yeah? Flexibility and innovation. Yung old ways yun na, yung thinking na, ay baka makasakit po ako or something. No. You are restricting yourself. Masama yung loob mo sa boss mo kasi you were treated unfairly. Mga ganun yan. Or sa mga kapatid mo, kamag-anak mo, something to that effect na ikaw na lang tumutulong or kaibigan. Yeah, hinuhugot mo yung nakaraan na that's how you were brought up na yung sensitivity. Okay? That's the old ways of our mentality. In yung iba nag-grow pero some of you, okay, not for everybody, okay? But in general, commonality, yung old ways of how you treat others, you respect them, okay? You need that metamorphosis. I can see here, nangay ko lang, napansin po ito. Okay, this is a butterfly, okay? Yeah? Oh, that's metamorphosis. That's transformation, okay? So yan sinasabi sa'yo, second quarter, the innovation and flexibility. You cannot be flexible kung you keep on doing the same way of treating or doing yung structure mo now. Yeah. Nandun yung mga tradition, convention, but everything is innovating also. Adapt. Okay, yan ang message sa earth sign for the second quarter. Okay, kuha pa tayo, tuloy natin. Focus on the flexibility innovation. Second quarter, that's how you gonna have that steady growth. 2 million, 3 million, yun ang aim mo. Mamayat ka, to stay healthy. Okay? Focus on flexibility and innovation. Something na it's no longer working, baguhin. Okay. One more. Blind spot. Okay, some of you dealing with, okay, Capricorn, okay? I was talking the devil card here. Okay, ano yung mga bad habits na holding you? Okay, hindi lang Capricorn, okay, everybody, earth sign, yung mga bad habits. Hindi ko na isa-isahin kung ano yung bad habits. I think you guys know this. Okay? And yung authentic self. Some of you, I always say that when I pull out the card, kung yung representation nyo sa tarot na major arcana, that's authentic self. Hindi mo pa kakilala yung mo, yung what you need. Okay? What you need. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yung authentic self. Okay, let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng card. Ituloy natin. Flexibility, innovation. You cannot be flexible and innovate kung you do not know what you need. Now, if you have issue with family members or connected sa community or sa surrounding, open up. Sabihin mo, there's nothing wrong. Umiyak ka. Sabihin mo yung sama ng loob. That's how you gonna have that change. A lot of change coming para sa mga earth sign. You need to adapt that second quarter. Be like the bamboo. Bamboo, kapag hinay pa ng hangin, you are flexible. That's how you gonna win. Okay. Okay. Ulitin ko. Clumsy shuffle. Okay. One more card. Okay, shuffle ko. Earth element, earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. One card. What else? You need to know. Second quarter. Okay. One card. One more. Okay. Okay. Some of you, magpahinga. Tapos na yung pinanggalingan yung pain. Okay? Some people na earth sign, most likely, alam niyo yung what it means to be flexible and to innovate. Okay? Some are starting now only. Pero yung nagtanim na and they know how to play the rules, it's time for you to take the rest. Why? You're gonna have that harvest the second quarter. Okay. Give me one more card. One more card. One more card. One more card. Lumitaw yung card dito, yung the devil card. Okay, so two things. Okay, yung iba, they're still looking for that identity. Yeah, yung iba who understand your identity, you need to serve. You deserve that break. You deserve that break. Okay, one more. I want to get more. Okay. Yeah, okay. So, sino yung earth people, earth sign na who done your homework, okay? Second quarter, you're gonna get more promotion, recognition, yung hinahanap mo yun. Definitely. Kung si Capricorn yan, baka maraming Capricorn dito na alam nila yung rules of the game. Yeah? Regardless of whether nasa Middle East ka or nagtaas ng gasolina, mamaniin mo lang. Hindi mo siya problema. Yeah? You're on that level. Claim your victory, yung dream, yung promotion mo. Okay. Let's get more para dun sa ibang member ng fire element. One card. May pinaghuhugutan yung iba sa nakaraan. Okay? Nakaraan, I will consider this as old ways of thinking. Yeah? What you've outgrown, na po yun? Tapos na po yun. Tapos na. You shouldn't be staying in those Kaya magulo yung sa Pilipinas na minsan sa gobyerno. Tama po ba? Why naiiwan tayo sa ekonomiya? Naiwanan tayo ng ibang bansa. Naiwanan ka na ng Vietnam. Naiwanan ka na ng Malaysia. Naiwanan yung GDP growth. Check the GDP growth ng Pilipinas. 10 years ago, silipin nyo yung GDP growth ng Pilipinas. Ngayon, ka-level na ng Pilipinas ang Cambodia, ang Laos, ang Indonesia. Naiwanan, okay. See? Okay. Completion. Some of you will have that completion. Okay? Some of you. Again, assignment po to. Kasi second quarter pa lang tayo. If you do not know your authentic need, authentic self, I don't think I'm not saying na hindi nyo po deserve na magpahinga. Okay? But the universe is telling, keep that slow, steady, practical adjustment. Earth sign, you need to be flexible and innovate. Hindi lang po magdi-dream at magmamanifest, start acting and doing. That's how you're gonna claim that expansion na achievement and achieving your dreams. Always, kalimutan na po. Change, that's the word, complete. If it's no longer working, move on. Move on. Huwag kang magkaroon ng limiting belief. Kung gusto mo umiyak ka. Sabihin mo yung sama ng loob. Nasaktan ka. Yan I have a lot of colleague, Taurus. Alam ko kapag nasaktan sila, aalis na yan. Without even saying na, bakit, yung nagawa ko? Bakit mo, they just throw the towel. Goodbye. Hindi na pagpapakita yan. Yeah? So, be flexible and innovate. Innovation. Earth sign, Second quarter, there will be a lot of innovation that will happen to you. You need to adapt. That's how you're gonna progress. Yung 2 milyon, ma-achieve mo yan. But you need to keep an open mind also. April is a start of keeping that steady, slow, practical adjustment, practical approach. Earth sign, practical kayo. Practical kayo. Claim this recognition. Claim this expansion. Yeah? Alisin yung toxicity. The devil is the toxicity. Meron kayong, alam nyo yan. Alam nyo yan. Okay? Mga addiction, mga kahalayan, mga kabastusan, mga codependency, katamaran, ano pa ba? Procrastination. Yeah? Ayan, yan yung ano, alam mo yan. Practical ka tao. Get away from that 8 of Swords. Okay. One moon card lang. Okay. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. One card, one. Okay. One lang, one card, one card. One card. Ingat po sa mga fellow OFW. Mahirap po talaga yung lalo ngayon merong because of that war, hindi lang po, lahat po tayo, it's a global problem. It's a global issue. Pero focus po tayo sa natin din, sa what we need. We need to survive. Yung aim mo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, 2 million, 3 million, taasan mo na. Okay, Aries, nawawala yung passion ninyo, okay? Remain sensitive to others to avoid confrontation, okay? Meron ba kayong ganyan? Okay? Kasi you insist on your own way or the highway. Or if you're dealing with Aries, sa'yo nagbibigay ng passion. I used to have a boss, Aries, 11 years. Painful to work with them. Pero, nandiyo yung passion nila is there. Yeah? Okay. So, I closed this reading, okay? Second quarter is in your horizon, okay? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, yung promotion, recognition, and the respect. That's what you need. Yung dream ninyo, okay? The world, expansion, yan yung money. 2 million, 3 million, aim it at the second quarter. Or, steady. I'm not gonna lie, meron kayong inner work. Yeah? Be like the bamboo. Be flexible. Innovate. Yung old ways of mentality. That's why you have the 6 of Cups here. You're clinging. Kalimutan. That's how you aim for your expansion and achieving your 2 million, 3 million. Yung bundok, yun po yung dream. Tsaka mo isuot yung corona. Second quarter. Earth element. Yeah. So, sana nag-enjoy po kayo. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Salamat po.